the creamiest, most decadent chocolate peanut butter ice cream ever. Start with 2 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate. Measure 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Add 1½ cups of milk. Use 2 lightly beaten eggs. Measure 2/3 of a cup of sugar. Add 1 cup of whipping cream. Add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Use half a cup of peanut butter. Melt the chocolate gently over low heat. Slowly stir in the cocoa powder and milk while heating. In a separate bowl, beat the sugar into the eggs until creamy. Gradually stir the hot chocolate and milk mixture into the eggs. Add the cream and vanilla extract, then cool completely. Stir 1 cup of the ice cream mixture into the peanut butter. Once fully mixed, fold it back into the rest of the ice cream mixture. Add to your ice cream maker and churn for 20 to 30 minutes. Oh my God, it's so creamy and sweet. This might be the best ice cream ever. And here it is, the ultimate chocolate peanut butter ice cream. Creamy, rich, and irresistible. Try it at home and treat yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this recipe with fellow dessert lovers.